cook this and then put it on top. Understand? So the process of Hi, I'm your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today our recipe will be curry chicken on potato pillow. Now this is a 3-step process. One involves the frying of the chapati, the other is to make the mashed potato, and the third is to cook the curry chicken. First, we put the chapati onto the heated pan. These chapatis are all frozen from the fridge. You don't have to thaw it. You just put it on the pan without oil, and then you heat it up, flip it over, make sure the whole piece is heated. Now observe the 2 chapatis in my hand. Is the frozen chapati, which is uncooked. This one is cooked. Put the cut potatoes into the steamer and steam it. Steam it until it turns soft because we wanted to mash it. Transfer the steamed potatoes into a bowl and then we mash it with a fork. Add in a bit of olive oil, salt, butter, grounded pepper, and finally milk. Now mash them all up together. Transfer the mashed potato onto the serving plate, and this is where we make the potato pillow. Once the water is boiled, put in the chicken breast meat to cook it. Remove it from the boiling water once it's cooked. On a dry hot pan, put in the star anise, the cinnamon stick, as well as the dried chilies. Drizzle in the cooking oil. Put in the onions and also the cut chilies. Stir fry till fragrant. Okay, my secret ingredient, cloves. Put in a few pods. Put in the curry paste, which is readily available in a wet market or in the grocery stores. Add in salt and sugar. Pour in the milk. Cover it up with the lid, change to low heat, and let it simmer. The curry has already thickened. That means it is ready. So this is the mashed potato pillow which I have prepared. Unlike the chunky potatoes that you find in Indian curry, this is a nice twist to the presentation of the curry. Slice the chicken breast and arrange them onto the potato pillow. Lastly, we pour on the chicken curry onto the meat that is sitting on the potato pillow. So guys, I hope you liked the curry chicken that I prepared to be eaten with the chapati. Now if you like my recipe, kindly give us a thumbs up, share my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Please comment if you have anything special that you want to share with me, or even your own home recipe of curry chicken. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.